Howdy sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Went into Belmont and got a few little things today. Well, at the RV place, I got a new shower head. It's more toilet paper. So let's see what I got. Nice fountain soda. I couldn't pass up the McDonald's 2 hot and spicy chicken sandwiches for $3. Come on. Some Funyuns. Some Chester hot fries. And some Jack Link's hot and spicy, sweet and hot beef jerky. Then they didn't have 12 packs of Diet Coke, so I got 5 Diet Cokes. That should hold me over. But check out the new shower head. Ooh, so big and fancy. Look at that. Now, it's time to put that food in the hole in my face. So, those McDonald's hot and spicy chicken sandwiches were good, and 2 for $3. Really good. Very nice young girl working behind the cash register said she might subscribe when she saw my shirt. That'd be awesome. So what I did today is I was out of Diet Coke. I was also just about out of propane in my 5-gallon tank hooked up. And I knew I needed to replace these couple of parts that I bought to possibly put in my RV shower faucet. But to take the whole faucet off is a big pain. I didn't want to break the seal and have to recaulk it and everything. So I wanted a new shower head anyway. So I got a new shower head, turned in and got a refund for the parts. I've only got a couple rolls of RV toilet paper, so I ended up getting another 4-pack. Got 5 bottles of Diet Coke that'll last me tonight and tomorrow, and got some munchies on the chips, and again filled up on the McDonald's. And that was in Belmont, Arizona. It's got a pilot station that has that McDonald's and a Subway. Then I went to RV Country, where I got the shower head toilet paper and exchanged the parts, and I also filled up my 5-gallon propane. So that way in a couple days when I'm ready to hook up the car, which would be the next video, drive 20 miles west into the K-Bob National Forest to Williams, Arizona. And there I'm gonna wait for days or weeks until the rest of my RV awning comes in and have that replaced. Also in a couple days after I do hook up, I am going back to the RV Country to have them check out my 2 house batteries to see if they're bad, which I think they are. It's been a year and a month, so 13 months, and as of the last 2 weeks, they just don't seem to be holding a charge at night. So I'm gonna go inside, relax with my soda. Ninja's out here, as you saw, enjoying the outside. I had a nice, pleasurable drive, as you saw my drive in. Beautiful day, probably low to mid 70s. degree Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna go put this stuff away and just relax. So here we sit in bed. You can probably hear the generator running. That's the reason I'm going in a few days to the RV shop. Check my batteries, because with nothing being powered off the house batteries, in just a couple hours after sunset, my battery voltage drops down to like 12.2 and percentage down to 85%, and that's not normal. So with Ninja inside for a little bit here on my legs, take the opportunity to run the generator for 20-30 minutes, and then she'll be ready to go outside again for another probably 2 hours. As you saw in my last video, that's where I sit here in the cold waiting for her to come in. But that about does it for today. I'll let Ninja go outside for a while, and then when she comes in, crawl into bed and call it a night with her under the blankets between my legs as I sleep, and she does act as a good heater. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed, we'd love to have you as part of our community and help us grow. From Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.